Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Monday morning, getting back into the stock market. I know my voice still ain't 100%, but at least I'm feeling better. I'm back. Oh, man. We had an amazing week last week. Record-breaking week. Up over 220% ROI on our trades. Just couldn't be any better. I don't know how we're going to keep pace with that, but we're going to jump into the week and see what we can do. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about the stock market for a minute. So we've got the S&P up about 0.08% in the pre-market here. My watch list looks like it kind of wants to be green. However, we've got crypto. We're in the red on crypto. And you got to remember, crypto's been trading all weekend long. Stock market's just trying to find its feet. So I would kind of expect today to continue that sell-off. I've been looking for the market to come down. I'm still looking for that market to come down, and I think that could continue happening today. Now, that doesn't mean we don't get a pop this morning, and again, I just don't have a crystal ball. All I can do is look at the technicals and look where it should be going. So I am going to be watching the market this morning and see if we continue to go down toward that 4,000 mark on the S&P 500. Looking at the SPY right here, we closed last Friday at around 408, and we'll be looking for that to trend down toward that 400 mark. If we can get down there and break under 400, then I'm going to be looking to target around that 390 area. Now, if we was to get a little pop up, we got just a little resistance right there at about 410. And then if we go over 410, well, then the market could run a little bit. But unless we break the 410 on the SPY, I'm not really looking for a whole lot of upward movement in the market. I do hope we get a pop this morning. I'm still holding those TQQQs that we bought on Thursday. I'd like to get a little bit of a pop. Go ahead and get out of them, even if I have to take a loss on those. We pick those up at $1.50. Even if I have to take a loss, we'll go ahead and take that, get it out of the way. Last week was such a good week. Well worth going ahead and taking a little bit of a loss for, and then we'll just roll it right in to this week and see if we can get those losses back and continue upward. So that's what I'm going to be looking at in particular. We've got Coinbase. You know, I've been trading Coinbase hard here lately, and I definitely believe Coinbase has run up and is on a downward trend. With crypto continuing to fall as well, we could see Coinbase continue to dive quite severely. So if you're looking at puts or looking at shorting the stock, there's a whole lot of potential here to be made. I do believe our next level of resistance is going to be right here at, well, right around $55. We got a little bit of a resistance. But beyond that, I believe we're going to be dropping down to about 52 and then down to 48. Those have been previous support and resistance levels for us. So those are levels I'm going to be looking at shorting it to, letting it go down to the lower channel, and then potentially buying it and running it back up to the upper channel, because as we come down, we're going to trade between those lines, as you know. That's what we talk about on this channel all the time, is getting those moves as we go down or as we come up, hitting those levels, making money, taking profit, riding it back down a little bit, picking it back up, and getting ready for that next swing. That's how you make more money than just buying it and holding it the whole way through, is because you're getting all those minute movements up, getting it a little cheaper, moving up higher, coming back, and that's how we continue to accelerate the velocity of our money. So I'm going to cut it off right there. I know my voice still ain't the best to listen to, but I definitely wanted to get on here. I wanted to talk about last week a little bit. I wanted to get on here with you and let you know where I see the market going today. I know a lot of people are excited. They've been calling for, the market to open green today. Don't think that's what's going to happen, or at least not close green today, should I say. But I wanted to get on here and give you my perspective on it. Do with that what you will. Take a look at the charts, and if you're not out there trading, go to the link below. Get yourself the Webull platform. Get you a good platform where you can trade in the pre-market, trade in the after hours, and start taking advantage of this money-making machine that we have known as the stock market. I want to see you reach financial freedom, and I'm going to be here to help you do it any way that I can. Catch me this afternoon. We'll go over how the market played out. We'll go over how our plays panned out. And until then, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.